broken all the time. All those years ago still with me. All the days I know still trip me. The things we do that make us blind. After time and after all, I lose the key, no way to make the call. I should come in for repair. Feel the waterline creeping higher every day. So this is how things slip away, slowly sinking on my own. Looking out, there's no one there. I'd cast a line, but first I've got to care. So I've come in for repair. It's time to try to really see. It's time to find the things I love in me. So I've come in for repair. I've come here to look inside, to face the truths I've worked so hard to hide.